This is 170 million naira 4-bedroom detached duplex right here in Ajah, Lekki, Lagos. And people are still there scrolling, asking if Lagos real estate is worth it. Today, I am going to show you why that question ends today. Few months back, I sold this beautiful and affordable masterpiece right here in Ajah with just a phone call. And the buyer of this property did not hesitate for 1 minute. They didn't think it twice. You know why? Because this is a good deal. Now, my name is Amrachi, your #1 real estate consultant. Of course, your go-to-go real estate consultant right here in Lagos. So if you're just bumping into my page, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay glued on this channel. Also, endeavor to watch this video to the end because you are going to like this property. Now, let's go tour this house. Welcome to the master's bedroom. This is absolutely beautiful. in a gated estate, fully functional, good road network, constant electricity, clean water. My goodness, this is a good deal. This is a masterpiece that you cannot afford to miss. Now, this property is right here in Ajah, Lekki, Lagos. I told you the price of this property is 170 million naira. We've already sold units here. Yes, so we still have about 2 units left. So you can imagine it is going to go out of the market as soon as possible. So if you are that wise investor, please, you need to reach out to me right now, like immediately as you are seeing this video. 170 million naira for 4-bedroom detached duplex in Ajah, in a fully functional estate. Oh, please, I'm your best in bringing the best deal. So this is one of those deals you cannot afford to miss. So if you're interested in this place, in this property, do not hesitate to call my number. My number is on the screen. Yeah, so my name is Amarachi. Please, if you are watching up to this moment, like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to stay tuned on my YouTube channel until you see me on your screen again. Bye-bye.